Today I will do the Judas Tree. Prior to sowing, you seek the seeds 24 hours till 48 hours in warm water, not boiling water, but warm water. You harvest the seeds in July. I'm always very careful to take the seed as soon as possible when they are good, because there will be an animal and they also eat from the inside out the whole seed, so you can't have any seedlings anymore. You can see it because there's a hole in the seed then. Because with these holes in the seed you know that there was a little animal that has eaten all the inside away, and you won't get any plant from these ones anymore. For the Judas tree I put in some extra warm water because this is after 24 hours and it needs to be 2 days in warm water. So I close the cup again for another day in warm water. Then they go in my cooking bag because it's nice, warm and isolated if they stay upright. Put it on top. Close it with the rope, and then they are in a warm nest again for another 24 hours. When they have been in the water, you take off the water. And then you check if the seeds are swollen, and when they are swollen then they are really right to put in your soil. Here, and you can see that they are perfect, they are full with water, so ready to go in. I'll cover them with a thin layer of compost, only 1 millimeter deep, not more. The seeds are in now. I just give them a little bit water so that everything is moist, well drained, not too wet, but then they get in. Now these are ready to go in the fridge for at least 1 till 3 months to get a cold stratification, and then you have to check them regularly to see if they are already germinating. If they are germinating, take them immediately out and plant them in a pot or where you want them. Otherwise wait 1 till 3 months at least in the fridge.